Node.js RESTful APIs. This is given by Sripriyanka. First of all, what is REST? REST is an acronym for Representational State Transfer. It is the web standards architecture and HTTP protocol. The REST architectural style describes the 6 constants that we are originally communicated by. Roy Fielding is doctoral dissertation and defines the basis of RESTful styles. Now we'll see one by one. The first one is uniform interface, stateless, cacheable, client server, layered system, code on demand. Code on demand is optional one. And then we'll see some RESTful applications that is used by HTTP requesters from sender to receiver. Perform 4 operations. We'll say CRUD, CRUD. Here C is create and R is read, U is update, and then D is delete. Create and or update is used to post data in the Node.js portal. Get for reading or listening data, and delete to remove data. RESTful is composed of methods such as base, URL, URL media types, etc. Base URL, URL media types, and etc. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a RESTful API using Node.js. Now we'll start one by one. For the purpose of this tutorial is we'll work through the creating RESTful API. To achieve this, we'll create a RESTful to-do list API. For example, endpoints that will create a task, get or read tasks, read particular task or delete task or update task in the postman. We'll assume some steps. In our environment, we'll set up our Node.js and MongoDB must be installed in our system. Then we run npm v and Mongo version is these will show you version of npm MongoDB installed our machine. No need to install. Kindly link how to install order Node and MongoDB. No need to install separately. We'll create a server in Node and MongoDB. And then we'll see the steps. First we'll create a folder name, list API, mkdir, make a directory. And then navigate the root of your newly created folder, cd, list API. Create the package JSON format. It is in npm init. Package is in JSON format. And then this is the code to create a RESTful API by using Node.js in using MongoDB. Now we'll create the name and then version. We'll see the description about the RESTful API. We'll see the scripts and then repository. Some keywords we use like RESTful or API or tutorial. Our author is our name. We'll see the license and then finally we will see the URL of Node.js. This is the code for create a RESTful API using Node.js. Then finally we'll got this folder. Here we'll do our coding process. Again we'll see the steps. Steps must be continued here. After that we'll create our server. First we'll create our client part. Now we'll see our server part. In our server part we'll touch server.js. Server will write the protocols about our server. Then create a folder called API make directory. And then create a list controlled JS. Then we'll see this setup of server. How will set up the server? First we'll install the Express. Node on Express will be used to create a server. npm install save the node. Install the Express to save the packages. This is the window of server. Here some folders must be created. API, controllers, models, routers, like that we'll create. Our package is server.js. Here we'll run our server part. And finally we'll put to gather all server and client in the postman. Connect our database by adding the mongoose instance connection. Load the created model task. Install body parser. Body parser is parse incoming request JSON from the client. Finally, we'll register our routes in the server. This is the final window of our Node.js server. We'll see our name, our status, our created URL. Do you have any doubts? Contact this mail ID. Thank you.